Here's a short movie about how to install Snapshot. First, go to the AppExchange and search for our listing and click the Get It Now button. Then install Snapshot in your production account. It will look like this. There's just two tabs. The first tab shows you how to install the Metazoa player, which is a rich client that runs on your personal computer and runs the product. And so you'll either choose Macintosh or Windows and install the player there. And the other tab has information about all of the pushes that have been conducted by Snapshot, and it stores all that information in your production org for compliance, for reference, and for searching and documentation about all of the pushes that have occurred. When you run the installer, you will see Snapshot appear on your desktop, and the first screen that will come up is the License Manager screen. You should log in to your production account where you installed Snapshot, and then you're good to go. It will proceed past that point, and then you can log into any of your other orgs or developer projects as necessary.